I've personally created an ebook which I go into details on the things that are required for setting up a successful pure water business. And this ebook is very, very rich. I'm not even trying to sell it because I created it myself. I'm saying this because even as I created this ebook, there were some things I learned myself personally as I was creating this ebook. I'll be going through the table of contents to tell you the things that are included here, but I can guarantee you at the end of this ebook, it will help you understand how to grow your water factory business if you are starting from scratch. And this is also useful to those who already have an existing water factory. Let's say you have a pure water business and you're thinking of how to scale. There are several things I touch on, those things that will help you scale, understanding cost analysis. It will even help you understand those things that take out money out of your business. They are all exposed here. And I even give recommendations and strategies on how to correct those things in order for you to succeed as a pure water producer. The demand was for both sachet water and bottled water. That's the ebook. But due to the bulkiness of the content, I created this ebook specifically for sachet water. And depending on how this performs, and if there is demand for the bottled water ebook, I'll also create a separate ebook that goes into details for bottled water. Because if I should compile everything together, the work will be too much. And I'm sure if it start getting to more than 50 pages, 100 pages, a lot of people will not be able to process all the information, or you will have this information overload. So without wasting much time, let me just go through the table of contents and give you an idea of what is included here. The first is the introduction. This introduction just talks about what SamSave is all about. I know a lot of you have been watching my videos either on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, or Facebook, and you've been seeing the name SamSave, SamSave, but you don't understand what is SamSave all about. Some people even call me Samson, some people call me Sam, some people have given me names too. So SamSave is just a family business, and it's a combination of two names which I explain everything in the ebook. So when we move from this introduction, we now come down to part one. Part one is the opportunity. So the opportunity for water business is very enormous, especially in Nigeria. If you are someone who is thinking of investing in a business that will last you a long time, in short, if you are thinking of investing a legacy business, you want to set up a business that even after you, your children can come after and continue. The water business, when done correctly, is a business that will give you that family legacy. So the opportunity is there for water business, and I also explain some of those things that will help you understand more of the opportunity available, especially in this water business. Now, the next thing you also look out for, which is the part two, is land and water source. Now, for most people, when setting up a water factory, at times they might have things already scattered. Maybe you might already have a generator, or you already have a truck. So you might think, okay, the next thing for me is to start building. But there is a sequence which you should understand in order for you to minimize your chances of making mistakes, and in order for you to succeed properly. So, which is getting a land and water source. Those should be the two first things you will consider: a land which is close to your target market, and a water source. So once you have these two things, a good land and a water source, sometimes you might be buying land from scratch, so you have to also check the water source. So by the time you do all those things, at least you're on track to having a successful water factory. The next thing again is power and energy. This is part three. So power and energy, I also give details on how we generate electricity for a water factory, and those costs involved when it comes to running a water factory, those energy costs. I include both analysis for petrol and diesel. There's also for solar, and also some recommendations which are included. Then in the part four too, I have construction and factory building. So when constructing your factory, there are several things you need to have in mind, like your floor drains, having nets in your windows, and some other things. They are all here. I've even included a building floor plan in this ebook. So by the time you go through it, you see everything, including the floor drain, all the things you need to look out for, and even the building floor plan included. Then in part five, we have equipment and materials. Now, for setting up a pure water factory, there are several equipments you will need. There is the water treatment equipment, there's packaging equipment, there is even the nylon printing equipment. So depending on what extent you intend to produce or what you want to do in your factory, this part 5 gives a breakdown of all the equipments that are involved and what the current costs are, and some of those things you need to do in order to have them running. Like for the equipment area too, I also highlight additional equipments which make production more easier, and those materials which are needed, like those your nylon packing bag, even for nylon printing self, the chemicals that are involved, everything is included here. Then in part 6, we have registration and legal compliance. So those are some of those things you need to register for, the registration requirement for NAFDAC, and how Sun does their registration, all those other things, they are all included here when it comes to legal registration. Even the registration for artwork and some of all those things too that are needed from you as a producer in order for you to benefit from the system. So those are all also included in the registration. The next is the operations and management, your standard operating procedure, and some of those things you have to do as a manager in order to run your factory. Part 8, we have marketing and distribution, and those vehicles too that are used for distribution, and how you can effectively market your product. All those things are here. Then the part 9, we have launch and beyond. So these are those things you will do in order for you to launch the factory, and how you can start scaling from there. So the last one, or not necessarily the last one, the appendix gives an explanation of technical terms. I also have equipment suppliers. I also have NAFDAC contact information, and then a few words from myself at the end of it. So basically, this ebook is detailed, although I still feel there are some things I will add, because I noticed along the line it took me some time to compile all these things, and almost every day there's one thing I'll see to either correct or add. So I'm sure this is not the final, should I say, the final work when it comes to the ebook, for pure water business setup and scaling. But I'm sure there are some things I'll add in the future, and by the time I make all those changes, I'll also update the ebook and give at least a more precise and updated figure. So basically, these are the things that are included in the ebook. If you are interested in this ebook, you can click on the link in the description or in the comments. I'll leave a link that says get the ebook. I'm sure you'll be able to get it there. And I priced it at an affordable price point, honestly, because for the content which is in this ebook, if you had to write a business plan separate, I know how much it will cost you. I've personally asked someone to write a business plan for me before, and I know how much it costs me. I've personally asked some people to do certain research for me in various areas of this business, like researching based on solar, doing water analysis, understanding some of all those things. And I know how much it would have cost you if you were to get all this information or all these resources from a scattered place. So the ebook is meant to help you. Either you are starting from scratch or you already have a water factory. I'm sure by the time you go through this ebook, you will learn from it, because even me as the author, I learned from it as I was working on it. So I wish you good luck out there with your business, and I'm sure this ebook will greatly benefit you.